Hey, this is Ken from My Math Assistant, and I just wanted to show you briefly how to use the Concept Mastery Report on the My Math Assistant website. This report will show you your students' areas of strength and weakness by grouping all of the questions they've attempted via the online grading platform by topic. So, for example, you can see that for questions that come from the topic of Lesson 8, which is about area, this student has actually answered 75 different questions, but has only successfully answered 27 of them on the first attempt. And it only goes by their first attempt because we're trying to gauge how well they know this particular math topic. By default, this report is sorted by the lowest percentage. So you can see as I scroll down, the numbers go up. So in order to use this report to help my students, I'm probably going to start near the top. I'm going to look for topics where they've had some experience. So at least maybe 12, or you can see they've done 8 questions on this topic. It looks like lesson 18, they haven't had a lot of practice, so I'm not too worried about an 0 for 1 there. But especially this one, 27 out of 75, they probably need some more practice with area. I need to make sure they really understand this topic. So there are a number of things you can do. First, obviously you can go back and have them review the video lesson for lesson 8 of their Algebra 1 book in this case. They could also just open the book and you could go through the lesson with them. You could also give them extra practice questions from this topic, and there are a couple of different ways to do that on the My Math Assistant platform. The first way is just to click Lesson 8 here, and you can see this will bring up a report of all 75 of the questions that they've attempted based on this topic. And what you can do is you can reset individual questions. If you just want them to go back and redo some of the questions around this topic, you can reset them and they will pop back up on the student's assignment dashboard. I'm going to close that. The other thing you can do is create custom assignments. If you click Create Review Assignment, you can see a little box pops up down here, and you can decide how many questions. Let's say we want to give them 5 extra questions to work on. I'm going to scroll back down. I'm going to check the box for Lesson 8. I'll put a 5 here because I want them to have 5 extra practice questions from this lesson. And of course, you could put 2 questions here, 2 here. You can assign them whatever questions you want from various topics. For today, I'm going to focus on Lesson 8. I'll hit Create Assignment, and my student will have a new custom assignment with 5 questions from that topic. You can see our library currently has 20 questions from that topic that are available, so it'll randomly pick 5 of them, assign them to your student as some extra practice. And that's all there is to it. The Concept Mastery Report can help you identify areas of weakness, maybe some misunderstandings your student has, so that you can resolve them as quickly as possible and give them that confidence they have as they move forward in their Saxon Math book.